discuss the concept of division of a polynomial by a monomial. Whenever we are dividing a polynomial by a monomial, the first step will be to arrange the polynomial in the standard form, and then we will divide the polynomial with the monomial. For example, if I have a polynomial 6x cube plus 5x plus 7, and we have to divide it with x, then the polynomial, we have to divide the polynomial 6x cube plus 5x plus 7 with x. Then we will see that this polynomial is in the standard form. We will arrange it. It will be 0x square plus 5x plus 7. The next step will be, we will divide it with the divisor, that is x. So now we have 6x cube upon x plus 0x square upon x plus 5x upon x plus 7 upon x. So we will get 6x square plus 0x plus 5 plus 7 upon x. So this is the answer when the polynomial 6x cube plus 5x plus 7 is divided by x. So this is how we can divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now let us take an example in which a polynomial 9m5 plus 12m4 minus 6m square is to be divided by 3m square. We will write this polynomial in the standard form. It is already in the standard form. We will write 9m4 plus 9m5 plus 12m4 plus 0m3 minus 6m square, and we will divide it with 3m square. So in the next step, we will divide each term with the divisor, that means 3m square plus 12m4 upon 3m square plus 0m cube upon 3m square minus 6m square upon 3m square. That means we will divide each term of the polynomial with the divisor. Now we will get, as we divided, we get 3, and I have m raised to power 5 minus 2 plus this is divided by this, I get 4 m raised to power 4 minus 2 plus 0 minus this, if I divide it I get 2, so it will be 2 raised to power m 2 minus 2. So further it will be m raised to power 3 plus 3m raised to power 3 plus 4m raised to power 2 minus 2. So this is what the answer is when the polynomial 9m raised to power 5 plus 12m raised to power 4 minus 6m raised to power 2 is divided by 3m square. I have first written the polynomial in the standard form, then I have divided it with the divisor. For dividing it with the divisor, I will divide each term of the polynomial with that divisor. I have divided 9m5 by 3m square, 12m4 by 3m square, 0m cube by 3m square, and similarly 6m square by 3m square. Then I have solved, and further I have found that answer is 3m raised to power 3 plus 4m raised to power 2 minus 2. So this is how I can divide a polynomial with a monomial. Now let us take another example. Suppose I have to divide the polynomial 24x cube y plus 20x square y square minus 4xy with 2xy. We will follow the same procedure. I will write the polynomial in the standard form, that means 20x square y square minus 4xy. Now I will divide it with the divisor, that means 2xy. In the next step, I will divide each term of the polynomial with the divisor, that means 24x cube y is divided by 2xy plus 20x square y square is divided by 2xy minus 4xy is divided by xy. So I will get, this is cut out, we get 12, and in this case I get 10. So I will have 12, x has power 3, and in the denominator it has power 1, so it will be minus 1. Then y has a power 1, and in the denominator, as it is, I am bringing it in the numerator, the powers will be inverted, so it will be minus 1. Similarly, 10 x square minus 1, y square minus 1, and similarly 4 x 1 minus 1, y 1 minus 1. Because we know that whenever the powers are, exponents are from the denominator are brought to the numerators, we change the sign. That means if it is plus, we change it to minus, and if it is minus, we change it to plus. As it was 1, so it came out to be minus 1. As it was 1, and it again came to be minus 1. So further solving, I get 2x square. This will be y raised to power 0 plus 10x y minus 4x raised to power 0 y raised to power 0, and we know that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So the answer will be 12x square plus 10xy minus 4. So this is how we can perform division of a polynomial by a monomial.